We're showing how to tie the paracord strap that comes with your QUICK-Fire striker to the striker case, and then how to attach the fatwood stick to the lanyard so you don't lose it. I push it up through the bottom. Go underneath, around, and up. And then I just back through. And I'll tie the other end as well so we can see it again. And what you can do is set your hitch so that you have only a small part of the strap showing, and then to give it a test, you pull it apart with that. Sometimes the case can be pulled apart with the strap, so it makes it nice and easy. Up through the bottom, go down below, around, back up, and over into that little hole there. I kept it short so that I don't have to set as much, but you can play with that. Now I can just pull it. And to pull it apart, you can pull it apart with your fingers, or if it's a bit tight, then pull it apart with the strap. Next, you want to attach the fatwood stick to the strap so we don't lose it. Using your thumbs, make a nice little backwards S. Overlap them, bring them together. That's it, you're done. Put that stick in there. Give that a little tug. This will not let that stick get lost. If you fall in the river, you're keeping this with you. And then when it gets wet, you just brush it off. It's ready to go. It's saturated with pitch because that's what fatwood is. And it's okay to get wet. And when this is all together, you can even hang it around your neck or your backpack, etc. And a striker comes in black, orange, red, green, blue. Have fun, and don't forget, you can also get a striker with someone's name on it, because this is the perfect gift for an outdoors person.